The story of water, part 1. Water is made from 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen, the smallest element, was created during the Big Bang and is the fuel for suns to burn. And oxygen is formed within stars through a process called nucleosynthesis. When a star explodes in a supernova, these ingredients for water are scattered into the universe. But the story doesn't end there. The story of water, part 2. Hydrogen was blasted past the location where Earth formed by solar winds from our sun. So it had to be returned to Earth from specific meteorites called chondrites. These rocks are about 20% water by weight, but that water is incorporated into the structure of the rock, so it's not like you can crack it open like a coconut and get the water inside. So that water needed to be released somehow. During the first era of Earth's existence, our planet was a hot ball of lava oceans, so when those chondrites came down, they immediately melted and some of that water was released as steam. But we're not done yet. The story of water, part 3. As the chondrites released their water as steam, once the atmosphere formed, its pressure rose to about 200 times the atmospheric pressure today. And a higher pressure increases the temperature required for water to boil. So that, coupled with the cooling of the Earth, allowed for the water to begin to accumulate on the planet. But the first water that was delivered from these chondrites is not completely the same type of water that we have today. The story of water, part 4. So the water that first arrived on Earth from the chondrites was made from an isotope of hydrogen called deuterium. Deuterium has 1 electron, 1 proton, but also 1 neutron, making it slightly heavier than regular hydrogen. The water on Earth is a mix of molecules with both deuterium, but also with the regular hydrogen with just 1 proton and 1 electron. So how did Earth get this lighter form of water? Story of water, part 5. The hydrogen isotope called deuterium was converted to regular hydrogen by solar winds from our sun. This solar energy releases out protons that steal an electron from deuterium and create that 1 proton, 1 electron hydrogen that we recognize. These hydrogen atoms were then packaged into asteroids, which then pelted the Earth and melted into the magma oceans early in the Earth's existence. When the Earth's crust sealed over, it's estimated that about 18 times the amount of water that's in the ocean today was trapped within the mantle. And this includes the water with that lighter hydrogen. This light water escaped back up to the surface through volcanic eruptions, which then added to the water that we have today.